Lenovo launched its new tablet, Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro AI 2024 in China on Tuesday, sporting AI features with several other significant specs to enhance the user experience. GadInsider has broken down all the key specs of the Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro AI. Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro AI features a 12.7-inch display with 144 Hz refresh rate, along with up to 900 nits peak brightness. The tablet runs on an unspecified version of Android and the company's Zuxo skin. The Lenovo newly launched tablet sports an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset from Qualcomm with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. Moreover, it boasts up to 512 GB UFS 4.0 storage. The tablet has a 6-speaker setup tuned by Harman Kardon to provide a smooth experience. However, the company's website has yet to list the connectivity specifications of the tablet. It also supports Lenovo's Stylus, which has a response rate of 4 ms. The Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro AI houses a 10,200 mAh battery claimed to be charged at 68 watt, along with charging the tablet up to 80% in 45 minutes. The price of Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro AI is 4,799 Chinese yuan, approximately 55,900 Indian rupees for the 16 GB and 512 GB RAM and storage configuration. Moreover, the tablet is listed in a 12 GB and 256 GB variant on the company's website, but that pricing is yet to be revealed. The Lenovo Yoga Pad Pro AI is available to pre-order in China via the company's website. The company has confirmed that the tablet will go on sale in the country on December 7th. However, there's no word from Lenovo on whether the Yoga Pad Pro AI will be launched in global markets.